Okay guys, I want to go over the new software here that I've been using. It's actually not new to me. I've been using it for a while for my Facebook fan pages. A lot of people are getting into Facebook. It is pretty easy to make money, and I'm going to show you kind of how I put that on autopilot. So here I have a brand new page and there's nothing on it, and I'm going to go over and I'm going to start up the Facebook fan page poster. And really all you have to do is you have to have a file on your desktop called Fanpage Pics. That's where it pulls its information from. So these are the pictures that I'm going to be posting here. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Fanpage Creator. Up here, you come up here, you put in your Facebook email and your Facebook password. And then if you have a new page like this one, the one that I just showed you, then basically all you're going to do is you're going to start with the instant fan page setup. And the reason you do this is because you want to make sure that you're not sending people to a blank page. People don't want to go to a page that looks brand new. They want to go to a page that looks like it's had some activity on it. So you're going to come up here and you're going to copy whatever is after the facebook.com/. So in this case we have pages, respect your freedom, and then we have the numbers there. If you build your pages correctly, then you won't have the numbers there, but just for demonstration purposes, this is the page we're going to use. So you put that there, and then here we're going to put, we're going to put our message. Do you like your freedom? Click like if you do. Okay, and then down here, this box here actually does support spin tags. So here you would basically just put HTTP, let's say www, what is it? www.google.com. You would obviously be putting in to your page or to your affiliate product, whatever you want. Here, let's do, we'll do google.ca. So we'll just vary back and forth between those. If you don't know how to use spin tags, it's not the end of the world. You can just basically put your message in there and it'll be okay. Now, all you have to do is click run. And you can see here, it's status 0 of 56. So I have 56 pictures in that folder. And I'm not going to put all of them on this page, but what I want to do is I'm loading the page so it looks like there's some activity there. So as you can see there, it put google.com the first time. It did spin that, and you can spin your messages as well. And it's posting that first picture to the main page. And let's see. Now if we come over here, I'm just going to let it run for a minute or two so you can actually see how it moves through the statuses here. Oh, that's because I clicked out of it there. So it's still it's uploading, and again there you can see that it put in the google.ca. It's posting that. So we have 2 pictures there. Now we've done 3 pictures, and I'll stop it after this 4th one here because I think you'll get the idea. And what we'll do is we'll basically at that point just go over to, let's see, alright, so we have 4 there, and go over here back to our page, and there you have it. Now we have 4 posts in here, and that last one didn't get caught yet. So there you go. That's how the quick page works. That's how the page starter works. And the next part, and this is the really cool part here, you don't have to re-enter your details. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and I already posted the first 4 pictures, so I'm going to take those out. And that's 5, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to delete those. Yes. Alright, that way you're not posting duplicates. And I always like to do that. You don't want to have duplicate posts. So, next, let's say you want to start on Let's see. We're going to keep the same message just for the sake of time. Let's say we're starting November. We're going to start posting on the 28th. And let's post it at, let's say, 10:30 a.m. And all we're going to do here, we're just going to click run. And what that's going to do is, if you have a fan page, you probably know that you have to go in, you have to schedule your posts. And it's kind of a pain in the butt to do it because you have to keep selecting the day and the time, and you have to upload your pictures. So what this does, this lets you upload all your pictures all at once. So right now, I can let this run for about 7 minutes, and it's going to do, it'll go through all 51 of those, and I'll have about a month and a half posted out at around at 10:30 a.m. And what I like to do is I like to post several times during the day because you want to get people interacted with your site. So I'd post one at 10:30 a.m. Let's say you post one at 1 p.m. and then you would post one in the evening at 6 p.m. So if I wanted to and I just wanted to go out about 20 days, well, I would add 9 pictures to this, so I had 60 pictures total, and then I would do 20, 20, and 20, and I would just vary the times. So like you can see here, we're just posted, that one posted for the 29th at 10:30 a.m. and we're going to go to the 30th. And one quick thing to know, on the 30th is the last day of the month that it posts. The 31st, I don't do posts, and that's just because not every month has 31 days, and rather than go through and program all that stuff, I'm just going to leave it at 30. If they don't get a post on the 31st, that's fine. You can always go in and you can always do a manual post on the 31st if you want. And what you'll see now is, because we're on the 30th, it's going to actually change the date, and now it's going to start posting on December 1st, and at the end of December it'll actually change the year to 2014, and I can keep posting that way as well. So I'm going to let this one post, and then I'm going to show you exactly where it's posted in the fan page dashboard, and you'll have a pretty good idea of how this can save you a ton of time. Alright, so there's the 4th one. I'm going to click stop after it closes there, and I'm going to come over here to my dashboard, edit page, use activity log, and right there you can see on the 28th I have it scheduled for 10:30 a.m. on the 29th 10:30 a.m. on the 30th 10:30 a.m. and then on the 1st at 10:30 a.m. So that's what it does. It saves me a ton of time. I do support this because I use it all the time. And if you want to get started with Facebook advertising or Facebook fan pages and making money with Facebook, I highly suggest you pick it up. The price will go up. Thanks.